As mentioned before, SalesDesk is a unique CRM. It's the only CRM that invites customers into the same platform through secure workspaces. By bringing the sales teams and the customers together, you don't have to synchronize between a separate sales room, video calling software, your CRM. Everything's built in. There's no need for synchronization because everything is put perfectly in place. And you have this amazing semantic relationship between opportunities, leads, video calls, sentiment, workspace, engagement, and so on. So in SalesDesk, we have two contexts. We have the CRM view, which you can see now, and we have the workspace view. And it's only in the workspace view that you engage with customers and customers engage with you. The great thing about these two contexts is they're different presentations, but the underlying data is the same. So I'm going to show you how you can link resources in your CRM view to your workspace and how you can do that in the CRM view and in the workspace view. So let's first show you how you can link records in your CRM to a particular workspace. To start with, I'm going to go to a particular workspace. And if I find this workspace, let's go down here. Let's use this one. Now, from the CRM view, workspace is just another record type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a particular asset to this workspace. So I'm going to go to the assets view here. And here, I'm going to click this button here. What this means is I can either create a new asset or link it to an existing asset. So I'm going to link an existing asset in the CRM to the asset section of this workspace. So first I'm going to search and I'm going to type in the word John because I'm looking for a particular proposal that I've been working on for this customer. And then I click link. Because I'm linking a record to a particular workspace, it lets me have a choice as to whether I want to keep it hidden in the workspace for now, or whether I want to share it and make it available to customers at the same time. Right now, I'm just going to link this resource, this asset, to this particular workspace, and then we can make it available to the customer later. So all I have to do is click, and when that completes, my proposal will be linked to this particular workspace. Next, let's see what that linked asset looks like in the customer's workspace view or in the shared workspace view. Let's go to the workspace context now. This is the particular workspace I linked that asset to. If I go to the assets view here, you can see that asset is not visible to customers or salespeople in the workspace. So when I linked that asset to the workspace, I didn't make it visible, I simply linked it. So if you want to see all the records that are linked to a particular workspace, simply click resources. So you can see here in the assets section, there is a new asset, which I linked before. It's not marked as shared and it's not publicly visible in the workspace. If I want to make it visible in the workspace, I click here and I simply click share in this workspace. That means when I go back to the overview section and to the library section and to assets, there, the proposal's visible. So it's extremely easy to link CRM records to a workspace record and make it available in that resources section. And all you need to do now as a salesperson is share or unshare those resources to make them visible or not visible in the customer's workspace view. The wonderful thing about this is it's not just about sharing CRM records with the workspace. If you create records inside the workspace, for example, tasks, meetings, meeting recordings, they're automatically linked to that workspace in the CRM. There's no need to do difficult data migration between your CRM and your digital sales room. They're just two different visible contexts on the same underlying data set, which makes life so much easier.